Where are you right now, V?
We're at Hotel Lucy in Montezuma, Costa Rica.
We're going to do a day tour of Montezuma, Costa Rica. We're going to go waterfall hike, horseback ride. All these people behind are going to Hako, which is like on the mainland, and they're going by boat. It's gonna take them an hour to get there. If you're gonna go by land, it would take like 2 or 3. It'd take like half a day at least. It's pretty cool. This is the ATM that's in Montezuma. I just use a Schwab card and I can pull money out from here at like spot transaction rate with no additional fees. It works pretty great. And that makes it so you can travel through Costa Rica without having to spend a bunch of extra money on just getting ATMs like that are everywhere. Montezuma has a waterfall that's like directly outside of town. And we're just gonna go there now. We're walking with like flippers on. It should, or what are those shoes called?
Flip-flops.
Flip-flops. We've got flip-flops on, and it should be a very short, quick jaunt to the waterfall.
Jaunt!
Headed this way. We rented just one of the inexpensive places in Montezuma called Hotel Lucy. It's like a short walk away from town, and it's right on the water. So your room has like the sound of the ocean. It's pretty cool. Those are the rooms, and there's the ocean. At high tide, it comes all the way to here.
We made it to Montezuma Waterfalls. There are 3 waterfalls made up of Montezuma Waterfalls. Here is the lovely number 1. Here we have number 2, just behind these rocks, number 2. And below is number 3, which is the biggest one. We did it! It's beautiful! How long do you think the hike was?
30 minutes.
30 minutes up to this 2nd and 3rd waterfall. It's a little bit more strenuous. You're like going through like weird rocks and roots and stuff. But it's super fun. Damn! Woo!
Where are we gonna go now?
We're going on a horse ride along Playa Grande to some more waterfalls.
And now we're all suited up, ready. We're always ready. We're going to meet with the guy who we booked the tour with right down here in the middle of town.
Hola.
What's that? Muy bien. So we've just crossed Playa Grande. We're coming through this little forest, and everything's going well. We got to canter on the beach, and horses are a lot of fun. There should be a waterfall up ahead. Time will tell. As you can see, the tide is rising, and we're attempting to make it to the waterfall before we have to worry about the water. Crocodilos. There's crocodiles in there.
It's the waterfall into the ocean.
complete. We hung out underneath the waterfall. The tide's coming up, so now we're gonna get out of here. This is awesome. Look at those pretty horses. They're right over there.
To drink. They're so happy.
It's incredibly beautiful out right now. Lindo. Buena vida. Now that we've completed the horseback ride, we're gonna go jump in the ocean.
My groin's tired.
So we're wrapping up the night in Montezuma.